this is where we are based for now. And it's changed Mana.
Mana s'est transformée en café RTL par hasard. Mana has become a Cape Verdean. I lent her a shirt and then she did her hair like that and she looked Cape Verdean.
Je suis Mana même.
But she ain't. She's Jola.
She wanted to borrow a t-shirt and this one was too small for me. We wanted to stay in today and Mana wanted to cook. So we went to the supermarket.
Okay. Mets-le dans le sac. Today's kind of a great day here in Elinkine, Casamance. Mana and I went out, did some shopping. We decided to hang out on the boat, make some food. She hasn't made food for a while. And she's cooking up a storm from all the great ingredients we got here. She was trying to deal. She said everything's more expensive here than in Ziegenschach. Who knows why? Anyways, great day, great food, great company. What else?
She had not tried Galopin's galley, and it seems like she's doing just fine.
Poulet, tomate, concombre, la salade, un peu de frites, et des vinaigrettes.
Vinaigrette.
Look at that. Veggies. And I don't eat enough of them. Mana, you're just too good.
Wow. Excellent. So good. Mana. Bravo. Bravo, Mana. Lèche les doigts. Tellement c'est bon.
Yeah, Galopin, I approve. Today we're on the move. Road trip with Djibril, who's been our trusty chauffeur.
Okay, alors aujourd'hui, today we're going with Djibril to Cap Skirring to find a bank machine to get some money out and also to see Cap Skirring. Parce que paraît-il que Cap Skirring c'est très joli, très beau. Ça vaut la peine d'y aller.
Ouais, c'est très très beau.
Ouais. Et c'est mieux d'y aller en voiture avec Djibril, notre chauffeur, que d'aller avec le bateau puis une autre voiture. Donc on suit son conseil. Je vais mettre ma ceinture de sécurité, attention, on y va.
It's about an hour drive. The road is not the best and Djibril is a cautious driver. The road is hazardous in places. This is where we could have sailed to with Galopin. And there's a sailboat there now. Oh, wait a minute. I know that boat. Belongs to a French dude I met in Ziegenschach. So this is where to come to go to Cap Skirring. We'll have to try it someday.
Treat you like a king if I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody, born to live in luxury. La 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 la
Cap Skirring is the tourist destination in Senegal. There's a Club Med, lots of toubabs, white folks that is, hotels, bars and restaurant. And who brought us here? Djibril. He's a class act.
on my feet, setting the table in all the chic. Baby, come eat. I like luxury. I like fancy things.
There's the artisans market. And since Djibril brought me to the bank machine, a stroll in here was welcome.
If I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody, born to live in luxury.
Man, look at Mana. An African princess, or should I say, a Diola princess. Mana's worth every centime.
Cover these scars and diamonds. Every day I'm alive, it's giving looks,
Mana used to work and live here. She knows the place. So now she's going to take me somewhere else. Cap Skirring is famed for its beach, so let's have a look.
Wanna tell you that I love you and much more, but I just can't find the words now. I don't wanna keep it to myself, but every time I open my mouth and stop by my pride, yeah, I'll be typing then deleting.
And yes, there are cows here. I couldn't get an answer why from the locals. The internet said they liked it because of no flies, open space, and eating grass with high salt content. I think AI is full of shit on this one. How could they know what cows like? Look at them. They know why they're here. I personally believe this is their personal nude beach. I mean, nothing is covering their udders.
Alors madame, vous êtes contente?
Oui,
Vous êtes pas contente?
bien sûr. Je suis pas content pour l'homme parce que j'ai pas de chaussures.
Exactement, j'ai pensé à ça, ouais. Alors, Djibril.
Ouais, aujourd'hui je suis tranquille, je suis avec une verre de ginger là.
Ginger, voilà.
Ouais. Ça me fait du bien parce que je suis un peu arrimé quoi.
Ouais.
Ah.
Mais là ça va mieux, l'air de mer ça fait du bien.
Ouais, ça me fera du bien,
Ouais.
c'est sûr. Merci beaucoup de m'avoir amené jusqu'ici.
Ben, toi aussi, merci beaucoup de nous avoir ramenés.
Djibril was nursing a flu, so he stayed back, and Mana took me to a friend's beach shack. Mana knows people here in Cape Skirring. His brother was cool.
So many things to say, need to tell you I need you.
Djibril was feeling better after a nap in the shade. It was time to go back.
Even in the silence, time will tell. Time will tell. Oh, time will.
Again, Mana has friends here. This is escargot, or snail.
Je m'appelle Escargot.
Escargot.
Ouais, l'objet il est là. C'est moi qui fais tout ça.
Voilà,
Ouais,
donc
parce
c'est un
que,
vrai escargot ça.
Ouais, parce que ma maman elle était enceinte et mon père, chaque fois ma maman il va en l'heure pour donner mon père à manger et un jour ma maman il était en retard. Après, mon père sur les rizières il a sorti 2 escargots. Il a dit il va faire peur à sa femme pour qu'ils soient en l'heure. L'autre escargot il a lancé devant ses pieds, l'autre devant son dos. Et ma maman il avait peur, il tombait sur les rizières, il pleurait. Et mon père il s'est mis à rigoler. Il a dit le jour que tu vas avoir un garçon, je le nommerai escargot. C'est pour cela que je m'appelle escargot.
C'est magnifique comme histoire,
ouais,
merci escargot.
Oui, de rien.
J'adore, j'adore.
C'est là, le petit recyclage. C'était le bienvenu au Cap Skirring.
Alors mesdames, comme ça on bloque la route.
On the way back, Jean-Philippe asked us to stop by his place. Sounded good.
Tu dois danser. Voilà, c'est bien, c'est bien. C'est bien, voilà. Oui.
But Jean-Philippe was out, and then these guys stopped by selling shoes. And remember, Mana wanted shoes. They literally fell in our lap.
Celle-là, c'est plus joli. Ça, c'est pour courir. Merci, derrière.
I told you this place was magic. We'll meet Jean-Philippe tomorrow at his famous oyster bar. Stay tuned.
welcome to Galopin. These are our studios, man. This is where the magic happens. It's humble, but it gets the job done. It's because of the great people like you on Patreon who make this happen. This Living Adventure series. I hope you'll join our community. We've got some extra perks like live updates, news, photos, videos, and I've even taken a stab at writing some short stories which are not for general audiences on YouTube. And our friend Graham from Australia set up a WhatsApp chat to aptly called Galopin's Cockpit. Guys from all over have joined, and it's this community that's contributing to the continuation of this Living Adventure series. If not, you can always watch us for free on YouTube. Make sure to give us a like or a dislike, make a comment, make your opinion heard. I'll try to get back to you. Thanks for watching this episode of Winded Voyage, a real living adventure series. It's not fake, baby.